Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to make drop down. So drop down is basically like ये जो मैंने बनाया एक टाइम टेबल है टाइम टेबल इसमें आई वांट कि यहाँ पर मंडे आ जाए या फिर मेरे को लिखने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े पूरा पूरा मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे आई जस्ट नीड टू सेलेक्ट सम फ्रॉम समवेयर फ्रॉम अ लिस्ट और समथिंग वहाँ से मैं उसको सेलेक्ट करूँ और यहाँ पर अपने आप मंडे ट्यूसडे वेंसडे वट एवर यहाँ पर आ जाए अपने आप. All right. So we will learn two ways. So let's start. So let's see the first method. So first method is like I'll open a new sheet and I'll write here Monday and Tuesday, or I can do this way for sure. And here is goes till Sunday. All right. I've created my list. This is basically my list. I want a day from this list. What I can do is I will go to data tab and here you can see a data validation option here. See data validation and data validation. This is basically Office 365. So if you have some other version than this, you'll need to just go through these options once again. You may not find it here. So यहाँ पर अपने पास ये any value है. Let's say it is a list and source में अपन we'll go to this sheet and we'll select these and okay, here it is. I can select Wednesday है and see यहाँ पर मेरे को एक बार ड्रैग करना होगा इसको. जस्ट कंट्रोल Z एक बार ड्रैग करते हैं इसको सो दैट सब जगह डेटा वैलिडेशन लग जाए. यहाँ पर सी इफ़ आई पुट वेंसडे यहाँ पर अगेन आई कैन पुट ट्यूसडे यहाँ पर लेट्स से संडे यहाँ पर लेट्स से फ्राइडे यहाँ पे लेट्स से Friday again. So you can do this way. Now, if I tell you about the other method, which is so let's just control Z this and data validation is over from here. So we'll again go to data validation. Now I'll not refer to this list. So I can again go to data validation. Here you can go to like list and from source you can write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, oops, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'll just click OK, and here it is. See, I got it. Now I need to drag it down, and here I can see I have in this column I have everywhere data validation applied. So I can again select Friday, let's say Tuesday, let's say here Saturday, Sunday. So these were the two methods by which you can apply this drop down, and it is really helpful. If you use Excel, you should know this. All right, so thanks a lot. This is all from my side. Thank you.